Hey everyone, is your car struggling with hard shifting, gear slipping, or even going into limp mode? If your OBD2 scanner shows P0879, this could be a serious transmission fluid pressure sensor issue. Ignoring this code can lead to major transmission failure and expensive repairs. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you where the sensor is located, the common causes, and how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. What is DTC P0879? DTC P0879 means the Transmission Control Module (TCM) has detected a low-voltage signal from the Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor D circuit. This sensor monitors fluid pressure inside the transmission. If it sends incorrect or low-voltage readings, the TCM can't regulate pressure properly, leading to erratic shifting, slipping gears, or limp mode activation. Common symptoms of P0879. If your car has this code, you may experience harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping, stuck in limp mode with only second or third gear working, RPM fluctuating without acceleration, and check engine light on. Sensor and component location, very important. Transmission fluid pressure sensor D location. In most vehicles, the TFPS D sensor is mounted on the transmission valve body, front-wheel drive cars, inside the transmission oil pan, near the shift solenoids. Rear-wheel drive cars, on the side of the transmission close to the hydraulic pressure lines. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, typically found inside the engine bay, near the battery, or under the dashboard. Wiring harness and connectors location. Runs along the transmission housing, connecting the TFPS sensor to the TCM and ECU. Check your vehicle's repair manual for exact details. What causes P0879? Here are the most common causes. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor D, sending low voltage signals, wiring problems with damaged, corroded or shorted wires, contaminated or incorrect transmission fluid, malfunctioning transmission control module, TCM, and internal transmission failure with clogged valve body or weak fluid pressure. How to fix P0879? Step 1, check transmission fluid. If it's low, refill. If it's dirty, replace it. Step 2, inspect the TFPS D sensor. Use a multimeter to check for proper voltage and resistance. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3, inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, broken wires, or loose connections. Step 4, remove the transmission pan to access the sensor and valve body if necessary. Step 5, clear the code with an OBD2 scanner and take a test drive to confirm the fix. Final words? Ignoring P0879 can lead to serious transmission damage. If you notice shifting issues or limp mode, check the sensor, wiring, and fluid levels ASAP. For more OBD2 error codes and easy fixes, check out these videos next. P0624, fuel cap warning lamp control circuit malfunction. P0625, generator field terminal circuit low. This is IG Garage, helping you fix your car like a pro. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.